morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all fine, happy, healthy and safe at your home. Dear students, today we are again here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this session today we will do some micro yogic practice and some yogic asana. After that pranayama yogic abhyasa. So let's come. First we will start our session with Vedic mantra, Gayatri mantra and Mahamrityunjay mantra. First, sit any comfortable position, be comfort, be relaxed. Normally fold your legs, sit on Saralasana. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra, back straight, eyes closed. Normalize your breathing. First, normalize your breathings and adopt Namaskara Mudra, eyes closed. And start Gayatri mantra together. Svah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtimardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanat Mrityor Mokshiyamamrita. Rub your both palms and make a heel and place your both palm on your eyes, your face muscle, and slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. Let's come. Today we will do warm-up yogic practice in sitting position. Normally fold your legs, both palms beside your thighs, back straight, and inhale. Raise the arms from side with inhale. Palms touching each other, bicep touching to the air, and look up. Look at your thumbs and make arch on your thoracic spine. And exhale. Bring your both hands down, palm down, head down. Touch your chin to the chest with exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One more round. Inhale up, exhale down, and release. And again, bring your both hands from side, interlock your fingers, and palm turn upward. Stretch it out. With inhale and look up and stretch from your shoulder, fully stretched up with inhale, and exhale, bend to left, slightly bend and look up and hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend to right and look up. Inhale, come back and exhale, release your hands from side. Next, both hands behind your back, interlock your fingers and palm turn outside and exhale, bend forward, touch your forehead on the ground. Inhale, come back and release. Next, arms up in line with the shoulder. Catch your left kneecap with your right hand, your left hand over the head, and exhale, bend to right and look up. inhale, come back. Same with opposite side. Catch your right leg, kneecap with your left hand and your right hand over the head. And exhale, bend to left and look up. Inhale, come back. And next, stretch your both hands in front and clutch your fingers. Clutch with inhale and release with exhale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a fist and go for wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulders. 1, bicep touching to the ear. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathings. And next, extend the legs in front. Fully extend. And both palms beside your thighs, back fully straight. Look at your front. Back fully straight. And next, flex your toes. Exhale, flex your toes. With exhale, back fully straight. And inhale, flex back. Exhale, flex forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, and release. And go for ankle movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. And next, bend your right knee and place your right feet closer to your left knee. Both palms under the thigh with interlock. And inhale, lift your right leg up. Fully straight and back straight. Look at your front as much as you can lift up. Exhale, release, and again lift up and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your hand. Same with opposite leg. Bend your left knee and place both hands under the thigh with interlock your finger. And inhale, lift your leg up. Chest up. Leg fully straight. Exhale, release. And again lift up and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your leg and relax. And place both palms behind your back to half feet away from your back. And inhale, lift up your middle part of the body in line. And your whole body weight on your palms and your feet. And hold it. Palm behind your back from left side, half it away from your back, like this. And exhale, bend back. And touch your forehead, the ground. Inhale, come back. Same with opposite side. Inhale, come back and release. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. And next, hold your right leg ankle and place your right foot upper part of left thigh. And catch your right kneecap with your right hand and toes with your left hand. And inhale, hug your thigh into the chest with inhale and touch your nose to your knee. And exhale, put it down and look back from left shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And release the left. Same with opposite leg. Hold your left leg ankle and place your left foot on your upper part of right thigh. And catch your left kneecap with your left hand, toes with your right hand. And inhale, hug your thigh into the chest. Press into the chest. And exhale, put it down and look back from right. Inhale and exhale. 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 And release. And take few normal breaths. Relax. And toes together, feet together, and go for butterflies. Back fully straight and swing your legs up and down. Release and relax. Place both palms behind your back, interlock your fingers. Inhale and exhale, bend forward, bend forward. Touch your forehead on the ground. Inhale, come back and release the line. Take 2 more breaths. And breathe. Come to Vajrasana. Both legs in front again, stretch. And next we will do Janu Sirasana. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet inner side of left thigh. See, back fully straight and your heel closer to your belly. And inhale, raise the arms above the head with fingers separate and back fully straight. And exhale, catch your toes with your both hands and back fully straight and look straight. Back fully straight and hold it. Option 1. And your kneecap lock. Your leg fully straight. Back straight, leg straight, look straight. And hold it. And exhale, more exhale. Bend forward, and rest your elbow on the ground and touch your forehead to your knee and hold here. Hold here for 30 seconds. Inhale, come back and same with opposite leg. Place your left feet inner side of right thigh and back fully straight. And inhale, raise the arms up, back straight. And exhale, catch your toes with your both hand and back fully straight and hold here for 10 seconds. Look straight, knees straight, back straight. And exhale, bend forward. First, rest your elbow on the ground. And bend forward and touch your nose to your knee and hold here for 30 seconds. Inhale, come back release. And release the legs. Relax. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. And next we will do Ustrasana. Sit on Vajrasana. Stand on your knees apart, half feet apart, and inhale, raise your left hand above the head, and bring your hand behind your back and catch your left knee with your left hand. At the same time, bring your right hand behind your back and catch your right heel with your right hand and drop your neck back. Within and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. And exhale, release and relax. Next, we will do Parigha Asana. Again, stand on your knees like this and extend your left leg to left side like this. Your left leg fully straight and your right knee on the ground, and stand with your right knee and back fully straight, and your left leg toes in front and your left leg toes facing front. And inhale, raise your left arm above the head with inhale, bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, slightly bend left with exhale, and catch your left leg toe with your left hand. At the same time, bend to left and look up and hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back. Same with opposite leg. Extend your right leg to right side. Fully extend, and your right knee straight, back fully straight. And inhale, raise your left hand above the head, fingers separate, left bicep touching to the ear. With inhale and exhale, slightly bend to right. And catch your right leg toe with your right hand and look up. And hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back and release. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. Next, inhale, raise the arms up. And exhale, bend forward, drop your both palm on the ground. Come to Sasankasana and extend your upper body to forward. And come to laying down position. And next we will do Makrasana. Place both palms closer to your chin, your right palm over to left palm, and rest your chin over the right palm. And look straight. Next, tuck your elbow closer to your chest and rest your chin inside the leg and slightly bring closer to your elbows each other. Next, swing your legs one by one. Makar Asana. Take left turn and sit any meditative posture. Back straight, eyes closed. Normalize your breathing. Next, we will do pranayama yogik अभ्यास. प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे कमर व सीधी. नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य. फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे. प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. कमर गर्दन सीधी. फर्स्ट सरल गति से. इनहेल एंड एक्सेल. यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास. यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का. कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व. हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और पे भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं, वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें. वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी. चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास. कुछ देर मौन रहे.
श्वासों का प्रवाह समान। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा। स्टोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और मेरुदंड के समीप ले जाने का प्रयत्न करना है। पूर्ण अभ्यास आपके रेचक क्रिया और पेट के अंदर धक्का देने के साथ होगी। तो इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें कि आपका स्टमक भी अंदर जाएगा, साथ में आपको एक फोर्सफुली एक्सेल भी करना है स्टमक अंदर, और लंग की हेल्प से आपको पूरा धक्का देके श्वास बाहर निकालना। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। फर्स्ट 20 एंड 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स। Relax. Normalize your breathing. Next, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Make Pranav Mudra with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left. And exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। टेंशन, हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी, अनिद्रा, मानसिक चेतना को बढ़ाने वाला, स्मरण शक्ति को बढ़ाने वाला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम, रक्त शुद्धि के लिए बहुत ही उत्तम अभ्यास, ENT केयर का अभ्यास। इसको अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में सम्मिलित करें। नेक्स्ट, भ्रामरिक उद्गीत का अभ्यास। हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बनाएं। अंगूठे से कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरें और मौ का उच्चारण करना है। होठों को आपस में मिलाए रखें, दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं, जीवा को दांतों से पीछे रखें, दांतों में ना मिलाएं। 3 बार इस अभ्यास को करें और वापस आँख बंद कर ध्यान। कुछ देर मौन ही रहे। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणव उच्चारण होगा। औ ऊम का अकार मकार उकार नाभि और कंठ से प्रारंभ करें, नाभि से और कंठ प्रदेश की ओर ले जाएं। औ ऊम का उच्चारण। ओंकार से उत्पन्न उस दिव्य ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। अनुभव करें कि आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है और आसपास का वातावरण भी ऊर्जान्वित और शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मिला और तेजी से रखो। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे और तेज तनाव को आंखों को खोलते हुए मधुर मुस्कान के साथ। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।